Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the process of importing an Excel file into Monday.com. It's a powerful tool that enables you to manage your data effectively, and here's how you do it. First off, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you want to upload your Excel data into. The reason we do this is because importing data is board-specific, meaning the data you import will go directly into the board you select. Now that we've done that, look to the right and click on the three-dot menu. Select Import Data, then Excel. This helps us because it allows us to directly upload an Excel file into our selected board. Next up, click Upload File and choose the Excel file from your computer. Make sure your file is in an accepted format, like XLS or XLX. This is crucial because Monday.com can only process these Excel formats. Once you've selected your file, you'll see a preview of your data. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is reading your Excel file and preparing to import the data. You can match each column to a column on your board or create new ones. This is important as it ensures your data is placed correctly. Lastly, click the blue Import to Board button. Let me explain why this matters. This final step is where Monday.com takes the data from your Excel file and places it into your board, making it ready for you to use. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Monday.com. It's as simple as that, an easy way to manage and organize your data more efficiently. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy data managing.